Okay, good morning, boys and girls. So I tried to do the video a little different where we have a little bigger picture of me, but it didn't work out. I wasn't able to do it that way. So we're going to try a different strategy. So today we're going to talk about math stories, okay? And in your packet of your remote learning, you're going to find pages 10 and 11. So we're going to focus on them. We're only going to do one math story today because I want you to kind of get accustomed to it, and then I'll just continuously post videos of each math stories just so that you can work it out. Okay, so if you turn your attention to page 10, first thing you want to look at is what do you notice? What do you wonder? And you know, at NHA, we always do that to see how we can make your mind think about what are you looking at when you're looking at a math story. Because when you're looking at a math story, it's very important to figure out what the question is asking you, what do you notice, and it helps you to kind of gauge in on what um, you need to look for in order to solve the problem. So, what are we working on this week? We're working on counting. Okay, so what do you notice? What do you wonder? If you look at your picture, you have a certain number of cars, there are trees in the background, you have a sign, you have a little black and white hill or stump or something like that. And you can go through and you can count the number of everything that you have in that picture. Okay? You notice that you have two cars, they are parked. You can say, well, what do I wonder? I wonder where the people who drive the car are. I wonder what's going on. I wonder why there's only two cars and why there are not more cars. You can have all kind of ideas of what you notice and what you wonder. Okay? Now I want you to turn your attention to page 11. And the question is how many trucks? So we're going to think about how many. Okay? So how many trucks? Okay, so that's the question that we are trying to determine on today. So the first part says how many trucks, and when we look at that, it says when Caleb looked out of the window, he saw three trucks in the parking lot. And then it says, then five more trucks drove into the parking lot. How many trucks are in the parking lot right now? So we're going to start with the number three. So there were three trucks. Okay, so three trucks. You can also say three trucks. Okay, and it doesn't matter about your um, symbols. If you choose circles, dots, you can make your trucks look like they're any way you want. You can actually draw trucks if you want to. It's totally up to you. And then we have five more trucks. Okay? So we have five more trucks. So we can say one, two, three, four, five trucks. Okay? Now, then we have to go to the next part of our problem. And the problem says, how many trucks are in the parking lot now? So when we look at five more, remember, we'll talk about that one second. Let's just write this problem. How many trucks are in the parking lot now? And that's a question, okay? So you always want to underline your question. And you can use different color markers. You can use the same marker. You can use crayons. You can use whatever you so desire. So in order for us to find the total number of trucks, because we had three, now we have five more. So to find out altogether, we need to what? Great. We need to add. So here we need to add, and we'll find out how many trucks. So you already wrote your visual problem, so you can just count. 1, 2, 3, and then you continue over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like you would count on your fingers, okay? So 3 plus 5 is what? 8. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a total of 8. So write down where it says you should be showing this work on your paper. And remember, this is a video, so you can go back and redo it as many times as you need to. But if you go down where it says answer, you're going to write the number 8 right there. And then it says write a number sentence that matches your work in the story. Matches your work or the story. So in order for me to write my work, my number sentence, because I'm going to put a plus there just so you won't forget. So I can say 1, 2, 3 plus. Remember to bring your plus sign down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. And then I bring my answer down, and you can box your answer. My answer is 8. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more to come, and I'm going to be trying out some new things, Google Meet and all that. So just look for that to happen in the coming future. So I hope you enjoyed this story, and remember to practice, 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 and continue to get it. So this is just a head start for you this week. And go around your house and start counting things. Add some things. How many spoons? How many forks? And add them all together. You could say how many. I have 5 spoons and 4 forks. So I have 9 in all. I have 9 pieces of silverware in all. So there's different ways and different strategies you can do. So enjoy counting and have a great week. Remember to stay safe and continue to practice social distancing. I'll talk to you soon.